Hello. How can I help you?
Um, well, I signed up for your whatever. Okay, let me speak English. Duh. I saw your advertisement on Facebook, I think it was. And so I clicked in to figure out how to do the cooking show
Yep.
on YouTube.
Hmm.
And that's basically why I'm here. Um, I wasn't prepared for actual questions because I thought it was going to be bigger and more people than just you and me. So I have to excuse my awkwardness.
Do you have a question about how to start a cooking show?
Yeah. How do you start a cooking show on
You got
YouTube?
you got a smartphone?
I do.
Put your phone on the tripod, press record, and cook something. Talk to the camera as if it were a guest in your home, somebody you're preparing a meal for. And when you finish, press record and stop. And now you have recorded your first video. You don't have to upload it to YouTube if you don't like it, but that's how you record your first video to determine whether or not it's good enough to upload to YouTube.
Hmm.
If it is, you upload it. If it's not, you make another video using the lessons that you learned from making that first one. And that's you just keep doing that until you feel like you have something that's ready to publish to the world.
It's just that simple.
Yeah. I mean, what is a cooking show other than you standing in front of a camera and cooking?
I guess you're right. I mean, I guess I could do that. I just haven't done that.
That's how you start.
Okay. Just do it.
Yeah. Most people are overthinking it, trying to turn it into something else and this and that. I'm like, okay, what is a cooking show? You standing in front of a camera and cooking. You're already cooking every day anyway, or most days. So pick a meal and you record yourself cooking it and talk. Walk people
Okay.
through what you're doing.
Okay. I will work on that.
What else?
I don't know. I'm not much of a question.
What's your what's your objective for this cooking show? Why are you doing it? What are you trying to accomplish?
Well, I cook every day. I love to cook. I do it all the time. I would rather be doing that than
That's not a
anything else. So,
that's not a why.
well, I mean, I'm already doing it. Why do I do it? Because that's just what I do. I've been doing it, so I do it. I've just never recorded it.
No, I said that's not a why. Like, why do you want to host a cooking show? Because this is work. And if you don't have a good enough reason why you're doing it, then it's not going to be fun and you're going to quit. So, like, what are you trying to accomplish with a cooking show?
How do I make money at that?
How good are you at cooking?
I'm excellent.
Okay. Well, if you're excellent at cooking and you have any kind of personality and you have it in you to teach, you really want to educate people, then there are people who will pay you to teach them how to cook.
Just record the cooking, walk people through it, and then post it.
Well, I mean, that's the minimum, like that's the foundation of it. To build a business, there's lots of other stuff you have to do, but that's the minimum you have to do, and you have to do that every week. So you got to post a cooking video every week if you're looking to make money from it. You have to take this seriously. We're talking about publishing 50 cooking videos a year and using that as the foundation for building your business. So you
Okay.
if you want to make money from it, you really got to be really got to be serious about it.
One a week.
One a week.
How long? Or just however long it takes to make
No.
whatever it is I'm preparing for the day.
Oh, you mean how long for the video?
Yes.
Yeah. however long the dish is. Some of them are 10-minute videos, 5 minutes. Some of them half hour, 45 minutes. Just depends on the
Mm,
dish.
gotcha. Okay. So at what point, like how many weeks in should I don't know. I don't know what question that because I haven't done it yet. The video part. I haven't done that yet. So as far as the business part is concerned, how many weeks would I need to upload a video for in order to make money at that?
It really there's no way to answer that. It's going to be different for everybody. Some people are professional chefs and they already have an audience. They just have not offered them a cooking show. Other people are home cooks that have a big fan base, and again, it's putting a product in front of people, giving them something to buy when you already have an audience for it. Some people are starting from zero. Nobody knows who you are. Not many people know you can cook. So you're building from ground zero. And then for both somebody who already has an existing audience as well as somebody starting from zero, the marketing effort that you put into it is going to determine how fast you have results. How well are you promoting the show? Are you telling people about it? Are you doing everything you can to make this succeed? Or are you just posting videos and expecting YouTube to do all the rest of the work, which eventually YouTube will really help you out, but you really got to promote your own stuff. It's like you treat your cooking show like it's like you're hosting an event and you need a bunch of people to come over to this party that you're hosting. You got to talk about it. You got to promote it. So all of these things factor into how long is it going to take, and how good are you on camera? How good is your show? How good can you really cook? Are you able to teach? You may be able to cook well, but how well do you teach? How well do you teach and cook at the same time? Uh, all of these things factor in. And then, of course, the consistency. Uh, some people still like to count weeks, even though they're not publishing. So, like, it's been 6 weeks. How many videos you published? Two. That's not one a week. So
Right.
all of these things factor in. It's you really can't look to target a particular week or an amount of time for you to have success. What you have to do is commit to the process. Understand that this is, if you're looking to build a business with a cooking show, then this is a part of your life now. This is what you're going to be doing going forward. This is just a part of your week. This is just another thing that you do, just like there are other things in your life that you just do. Every day you're doing that thing, or every week you're doing that thing. This becomes one of those things, and you understand that over time, it will deliver everything that you want, but you don't know how long that's going to be.
Got it. Okay.
I would say don't look to see any results for at least 6 months, because it, and I'm talking about publishing a video every week for 6 months, because it's before then you haven't really demonstrated to anyone, even yourself, that you're really committed to this. Anybody can make a handful of videos, but if you're showing up every single week for 6 months, now you have incorporated it into your life. You're talking to people about it. You're demonstrating that you're actually serious and committed to this and worthy of someone investing their hard-earned dollars into this thing that you're telling them that you should, they should pay you money for.
Gotcha. Okay. I could do the bare minimum one a week.
Yeah, I mean,
That's
that
doable.
that's not, so when I say bare minimum, that's the bare minimum for building a business. Don't think that's the bare minimum in terms of publishing. One a
No,
week is the requirement. So don't think that doing two a week is better, or three. Just
no,
one.
just one.
Just
Just one.
one. That's the minimum for everything else that you're going to do. But yeah, just one a week.
Okay. Do I need special publishing equipment outside of my cell phone?
A mic. Um, and a proper video light, if you don't have one, you got a ring light or whatever. If you do Zoom meetings or anything and you have a video light for that, that may be sufficient. If not, get a video light and a microphone.
Okay. Okay. So I need a light and a microphone.
Yep.
Not too costly. Okay.
Not for creating your own TV channel, because that's really what this is. If you're publishing on YouTube, YouTube's the #1 TV streaming app in US households. More people watch YouTube on their television than they do Netflix. So if you have a cooking show on YouTube, you have a cooking show on TV for the cost of a microphone and a light.
Gotcha. Gotcha. Okay. I think I can do that.
What type of cooking do you specialize in?
I cook everything. But my angle will probably be like, what's for dinner tonight? Something simple, something quick and easy anybody can do.
Okay. Is that your target audience?
Basically.
Okay. Have you created a YouTube channel yet?
I have a channel, but there's like nothing on it because I haven't uploaded anything to it.
Okay.
It's just ready to go. I just haven't done anything with it.
What's the timeline you giving yourself for this? Like you asked how many weeks before you make money, how many weeks before you start making videos?
What's today? Sunday?
Yeah.
I might could bust one out tomorrow or Tuesday. No, not Tuesday, but tomorrow or Wednesday.
Okay. That's the first one. Then you're gonna be able to do that again the next week and the next week and the next week.
I don't see why not. I don't have anything else to do.
All right. Yeah, get to it.
I mean, I sit around all day and I come up with different recipes and I research recipes. And then once I'm done researching and looking at recipes, depending upon what it is I'm going to make, then I go make it.
Yeah, if you just do that with a camera on, you have a cooking show.
Okay. Okay. So I'll probably make dinner rolls between tomorrow and Wednesday because I'm kind of craving those again.
Okay. Cook what you love.
Sounds like a video. Yeah, that's what I do. I cook what I love. I just come up with stuff. For the future, I'm going to be making a prime rib for Christmas, so I can film that too.
Might be a good idea to make it in time for somebody to learn how to do it and then make their own for Christmas. So a week or two before, if you're really teaching, like, it's too late to be making a Thanksgiving video. You understand? So
Well, yeah.
don't make
Yeah.
don't publish a Christmas prime rib video on, the week before would be better.
Well, I can just publish my prime rib. It doesn't have to be for Christmas. But I can still tape it and upload it because people eat that year round.
Okay.
So that sounds pretty cool.
What other questions you have?
I don't know. I'm not the question person.
This is a Q&A. What you expect?
I don't know. So Drew's having a Zoom meeting. I thought you was going to tell me a bunch of stuff. And I go, oh, okay. I guess I could do that. Oh. But I don't know. I don't have any questions right away. I didn't know to formulate them and then come to the Zoom meeting with the questions already asked because I don't work that way.
Yeah, there's literally hours of training materials in the library in here
Mm-hmm.
that you can just, you know, all I do is talk about cooking shows. Is various different. So if you just want information, that's where the easiest place to get that.
Do you just talk about cooking shows? Do you have one?
No, I don't really cook, but I
Mm.
produce cooking shows, and now I teach people how to produce their own cooking show.
Okay. All right. I mean, that's doable. I mean, if I just needed somebody to tell me to just do what I already know I should be doing, I guess that's what I got.
Yeah, that's all you need to get started. Folks who are serious
Okay.
about building a business, there will be lots of stuff down the road that you would need help with. But to
Right.
just get started, you just stand in front of a camera and cook.
Okay. And then promote myself. I have to figure that out. I'm not really good at promoting myself because I don't really social media all that much, but I do watch a lot of YouTube. So I guess.
Yeah, watching other people on YouTube is not going to help you grow your business. So you're going to have to learn marketing and embrace it. That's
Gotcha.
non-negotiable.
Gotcha. Learn the marketing, embrace it. I think I can do that. I can do that.
All right.
All right.
Any other
Well,
questions?
I don't have any questions. Thank you for your time. That was fun.
You're welcome.
Kind of unexpected, but okay. What I needed. Thank you.
Put hold yourself accountable. Put a date on the calendar. Is it tomorrow, or the day after that you're going to do this? Block out the time for it, and make sure you hold yourself to it.
Got it. I will record the planning process.
Okay.
Hmm. So thanks for that.
You're very welcome.
So you're just gonna sit here the rest of the day and wait for others to show up, or you just do
No,
this one
I'm
hour out of a
leaving.
day?
I'm leaving.
Oh, you leaving? Okay.
Yeah, I'm sure. Like you barely beat the buzzer because I wait a few minutes to see if somebody gonna show up, and if not, I'm out.
Gotcha.
I'm just here to answer questions for anybody who has a question. Like I said, I have hours and hours and hours and hours of content on my YouTube channel, inside this cooking show accelerator portal, a training community that I have where people can,
Okay.
for the folks who just want to get information, it's
Okay.
hours of videos of me talking. So I don't need to sit here live and do a presentation. I have hours of presentations. And so I'm just here. When I go live, it's for people who have a question they want to ask. And I just give a few minutes to see if anybody shows up. If they don't, I'm out.
Okay. That's really cool.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You're very welcome.
Thank you. I might pop in another day just to ask another question if I can when I come up with them.
Okay.
So, okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good evening.
Bye. You too.
Bye.
Bye.